All right, guys, we've got the Yeolet electric spin brush. It's a rechargeable scrubber. It's IPX7 waterproof, and this is great for cleaning your pool, your spa, your hot tub, your tile, your I would say like your bathroom, like your shower, your bathtub, any of that stuff. It's going to be great for. And I'm just going to unbox it today and show you what you're working with. So first of all the attachments. You've got kind of like a soft attachment. This is more of a bristle brush attachment, and that's going to be great for getting grime out of tile and like in your pool, in your hot tub, like all that kind of stuff. And we're probably going to try that one here pretty soon. Here's another one, just kind of a mild attachment. There's not really much to it, but they're easy to apply and remove. And then you've got kind of like the half ball bristle, more of a like focused, intense bristle right there. Again, a flatter, intense bristle. And then we've got actually a bag that we're able to store all this stuff right in. Underneath that, we have the unit itself. And we're going to unpackage that, show you that, and then we're going to try it out on my hot tub. And man, it comes in a super nice box. It's got a manual, but you know, we do it live on this channel, so our goal is to not use that. Let's see if we can. So, there we go. That was easy. So, that's the unit. And then I think actually what we could do, okay, let's just show you this because I think that's what this is. This is an extension. This allows you to get in higher places. So we can apply this and then apply this underneath. Now, look how long of a unit we have. Now we're able to really get higher if we want to do windows or just areas that are harder to get to. I think that's extremely useful, but we're going to go back down to the regular unit just because it's going to be easier for me to show on camera. So look how easy it is for me to use. Now, we've got a USB-C charging cable, and then all we do for that is at the bottom of the unit, or the top of the unit, depending on how you're thinking about it, you've got that plug right there, and then you plug this into a USB port or USB wall adapter, and you're getting that thing recharged. Now, here is the on and off down here. There we go. So we got 78% charge. I like that it shows that so you can know that you're good to go. All right, so basically what we have is we have a low and we have a high. And that LCD display shows low and high, and it shows how charged the unit itself is. So let's go ahead and, all right, that was easy. Wow, okay. This thing's very easy to use. All right, we got low and high. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out to the hot tub and just scrub a little bit and show you it in action. All right, guys, so we're out here in the spa, and I'm gonna show you how this works in action. It's IPX7 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting this in or around the water. It's all good. But the one thing I want to show you is it is adjustable like this. So that neck is adjustable for any angle. You could even do like a right angle like this. And in fact, that's what I'll do here just to show you. And I've got it on high right now. And it's super easy just to kind of keep the muck and grime off the walls of your spa or your pool or your tile in your bathroom or shower or anything like that. You can see how easy it is to use. And then all you do to shut it off is that. So there's all these different attachments. They're super easy to take off, put new ones on. We've got a bunch of them. I think this is a great unit. If you're on this page, there's a lot of products like this. You don't need to waste your life looking for a bunch of products. I vouch for this. It works for everything it says it does. Just get it and move on with your life.